So you're thinking of making money online this year as a Nigerian or an African, working class, or for a side hustle. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 businesses, probably 6 side hustles like we call it, that you can do today and start making money online even if you're working for someone right now. Yes, there are 6 businesses that you can actually do today online. Number 5 is my favorite. I don't know your own, but let's dive into the video today and discover the 6 businesses you can do today and start making money online. My name is Gson Ebuka and you're welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber. And if you're joining me for the first time today, please note that every Wednesday and Friday I drop videos that talks about business strategies, business opportunities, lifestyle strategies, career hacks and tips that can help you scale your life from where it is to where you want it to be. And if you're ready, just as I'm ready today, let's dive into today and discover 6 businesses that you can do today and start making money as a Nigerian, as an African today. Let's get there. Welcome back. The first business that you can do today that can probably make you money just like that is social media influencing. Social media influencing. Let me take a little bit and explain to you what social media influencing simply means. You know, back in the days, traditional advertisement had to do with radio advertisement, TV advertisement, billboard and posters. But today, with the emergence of social media, you don't need all of that again. Yes, with social media, you don't need all of that again. Now, how does a social media influencer become another business? Now, probably you don't know that a lot of celebrity that you see today having thousands of people, millions of people following them on their Instagram platform, Facebook platform, Twitter platform, any social media platform, are being paid to put someone's product on their platform. That is what is called social media influencing. So when you have large followers of people from 100,000, 5,000, 10,000 people following you, people can actually meet you and ask you to actually advertise their product on your platform, and there you make money. You can charge them as high as 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, as much as you want it to be. I have had experience asking some of the celebrity here in Nigeria, ask them to put out something for me on their platform, and I know how much they charge them, even though some of them are my friends. So being a social media influencer is one way you can cash out today, whether you're working class, whether you're a Nigerian, or whether you're an African. So number 1 business I suggest for you today to do today so that you can make money online is becoming social media influencer. I will take time in another video to explain to you how you can become a social media influencer and absolutely begin to cash out from it. Number two business that you can do today is social media marketing and social media management. There are a lot of people, a lot of business people, a lot of celebrities, like I have already said in the first business opportunity, that do not have time to manage the social media platform. Yes, they do not have time to manage social media platform. So the choice to this part, being social media management or social media marketing, is for you to be that one person. Yes, be that one person that understands how to organize content, create content for these platforms, for this celebrity. Yes, so that they can easily do other things they need to do. Yes, if you are the one person that knows how to use other tools like Suite, like Buffer App, like I've already shared in the video here, that you can use that to create and schedule content for these celebrities and even these business people, you will be paid immediately. It's not very difficult. It's for you to be able to come up with creative content and as much as possible put them ahead of time and watch over the platforms of these celebrities, whether Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, because being a celebrity and being a social media influencer is actually time consuming. So if you're going to be the one person that will help them, to assist them to be able to manage those platforms for them, you will make money as well. And that's number 2 business you can do today, regardless of whatever you're doing today, whether you're working class or whether you are a business person in Nigeria and also in Africa at large. Number 3 business you can do today and start making money is starting blog. Not just starting blog, but starting a niche blog. Yes, starting blog, and not just starting blog, but starting a niche blog. Let me start by saying that having a blog is as old as internet itself. Yes, having a blog is as old as internet itself. The truth still remains that every one of us started out as a blogger. I started out as a blogger many years ago when we talk about a whole lot of things on Blogspot. But today we have already moved on from that to other things and other entrepreneurial approaches online, thereby making money. But if you really want to make money today as an online person, you need to start having your own blog. Yes, start having your own blog, and not just having your own blog, start having a niche blog. What do I mean by having a niche blog? Choose a particular segment, choose a particular topic, and then start creating content on that niche. Yes, choose a particular portion. It could be weight loss, it could be dog loving, it could be love, it could be anything, and start creating content on that. And once people begin to understand that you are creating content, interesting content for such niche, they will become your traffic, and invariably they become your traffic. Boom, advertisers come to you and ask you, can I pay for a space to put up my product in front of your people? That's what it's all about. Being able to create a platform where people can easily call, we call it traffic, that can generate traffic, that people will come and ask, can I put up my platform, or can I put up my products and services on your platform so that people can actually see what I'm selling? And that's what blog is all about. So the third business that you can do today is creating a niche blog. Yes, creating a niche blog. It could be entrepreneurial blog, it can be author blogs, it can be anything. Create a blog and start writing content steady and generating traffic for it, and before you know it, people will be reaching out to you to be able to ask you so that they can put their products and services in front of your audience. Number 4 business you can start today and start making money online today is starting a YouTube channel like this. Starting a YouTube channel like this. It is my best of all. Well, we can never overemphasize the importance of YouTube in this generation. Having a YouTube channel is as good as being essential today, because you really want to make money online. You should be able to create a YouTube where you discuss content that actually matters to you, that you love discussing, and when you put up content steady online, people find it interesting, they will definitely find their way to come and watch, and while they are watching and making money for you, they are also driving value from the videos that you're creating, whether it's comedy, entertainment, educational, anything that has to do with video and content. YouTube channel is one place that I will advise you today to start your channel today. Yes, start your channel today. And probably if you really want to know how to start a channel today, you don't know how to do that, please drop your comment on the section and say that I want to learn how to start my YouTube channel. And I have a handful of people describing or looking for that. I will definitely create that time and make a video on YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel today. So the 4th business that you can do today and absolutely start making money online as fast as it can be is having a YouTube channel. Before I get into the 5th, which is my favorite, and then the 6th, let me take a little bit and take a recap on what I've just discussed before. First of all, I discussed that if you really want to make money online as a Nigerian or African this year, you should consider becoming a social media influencer. That's number 1 thing I said, becoming a social media influencer. And number 2, you can consider becoming a social media marketer or manager. Yes, social media marketer or manager. And number 3, you should consider creating or curating. There's creating and curating. There are 2 different things. Creating, and let me say, creating a niche down blog. Yes, creating a niche down blog and start creating content for your blog. And number 4, I talked about starting your YouTube channel like this one. And before I go into number 5 and number 6, I would like to use the opportunity to ask you to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Apparently, if you find what I'm doing here interesting and you love what I'm doing, please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumb up on the videos that we have right here. Yes, like the video so that YouTube can easily recommend this video to other people who find value to what we're doing here. And without much ado, let me go into the 5th one, which is actually my best, which actually my interesting best. I love it so much, and because it helps you to make money even while you're sleeping, and that is called affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing. I can go on and on and on and on and on and telling you ways you can create affiliate marketing and you can actually become an affiliate marketer. What does it mean to become an affiliate marketer? Becoming an affiliate marketer simply means that you saw a product somewhere that you love, that you've seen and tested the product, and then you come out, not just testing it for yourself, you come out and start advertising the product on your platform and thereby making passive income once people go back to buy the product from the source. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is take the link, take the source, take the screenshot of the product and put it on your platform, just like the same way you go down to my description menu, you see certain links and all of that. Those are affiliate links of some of the product that I recommend for you, business tools that I recommend for you. And once you click on those links, I make certain amount of money from such product, and you can start doing that today because it helps you to make massive passive income. Even while you're sleeping, you're making money. There are thousands of affiliate programs that you can actually make money from as a Nigerian and as an African, and you will cash out from them today. So look for products in certain areas of your interest. It could be weight loss, it could be business product, it could be website hosting product that you can actually introduce people from, and then you definitely make money from them. Apparently, it's something that you really need to take serious because it's one of the best ways to make money online today. Become an affiliate marketer and you will always smile to your bank today. That's probably one of my best ways of making money online today. And before I come to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you number 6 number 6 way of making money online today. And the 6th way of making money online today is be able to do remote gigs. Yes, call them remote gigs. They are small jobs that you can do online today and apparently make little dollar here, little cents here, little naira here, and little coin there. Yes, there are a lot of sites that you can go and do little job. We call them micro jobs, micro work. We have a lot of them from Fiverr.com, such as Pico Workers. There are a lot of them out there that you can actually go and do small jobs, small jobs like completing a surveyor task, liking a Facebook account, liking a Facebook page, watching YouTube videos, a lot of them, even writing a letter for someone, and the person is ready to pay you small amount of money if you can complete the task, and that doesn't take you a whole lot of time to do that. So the number 6th way for you to start making money, probably your side hustle, is for you to do remote gigs. Yes, we call them remote gigs because they are small jobs that you don't necessarily need to be one place to do. You can use your phone to do all of them and then move on. Apparently, I know that you learned 1 or 2 things today from this video. What is your favorite business that I shared with you? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 5 to number 6. Which one is your favorite? Drop your comment on the comment section. Let's continue this conversation from there. And if you have other ideas, other business ideas that you think anyone can actually do and start making money online, feel free to drop your comment on the comment section. And don't forget that you need to subscribe to this channel if you find what I'm doing here interesting and your first time. Please subscribe to this channel. And for you who is my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always making our time to watch my video and to like my video. Don't forget to like this video, because once you like this video, YouTube recommend this video to anyone who is really interested or who will find value in this video. Until I come your way next time, Keep living your dreams today. Bye for now.